Hello everyone. So today in this particular video we are going to discuss about a new current affair of 29th August of 2022. Today's topic that Dr. Abhilaksh Likhi, he has visited CoE for vegetable at Baramati, Pune, Maharashtra. So in this particular video we will discuss who is Dr. Abhilaksh Likhi, what is CoE, okay, and where it is situated, what is the motto, why he has visited, why he has interacted, everything one by one we will discuss in this particular video. So without wasting time, let's begin. As you can see the topic, Dr. Abhilaksh Likhi. Okay, Abhilaksh Likhi. He is the additional, who is he? He is the additional secretary of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Who is our Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare? He is Sri Narendra Singh Tomar. Yes or no? But if you see who is the additional secretary, he is our Dr. Abhilaksh Likhi. He has visited the CoE. Yes or no? We have discussed about, we have told about CoE. So what is the CoE? That is your Center of Excellence for Vegetable at Baramati, Pune district from Maharashtra. Okay, why he has visited and all, we will discuss now. Now, you see, Dr. Abhilaksh Likhi, he has visited the Indo-Dutch, that means this is the, what? You can say, this is the modern concept of Indo-Dutch, the Center of Excellence, that is a combination of both Indo and Dutch, okay, for vegetable at Baramati district, Pune, Maharashtra, and interacted with the farmer. The main objective of setting up of this CoE is what? Is to establish a demonstration hub for vegetable production and transfer of technologies to the extension worker and farmers in the region through their training and capacity building. So what is the motto? In the CoE, what will happen? They will make it as a hub, where what will happen? Different technologies, different method will be demonstrated to the extension workers and to the farmers, okay, for their benefit. Introduction of advanced technologies that are required to increase the vegetable production and reduce the losses in the supply chain, that is field to PST, storage, transportation, are being shown to the farmer and the extension workers. Here nothing is important, here some important points are there. You see the technologies includes your protected cultivation, hydroponic, soilless culture, improved seeds and quality planting material, then your fertigation, then your INM integrated nutrient management, then your IPM integrated pest management, then your GAP, that is your good agricultural practices. Everything will be demonstrated in that particular CoE hubs. So you can see a total of 7 center of excellence are there of the Indo-Dutch collaboration, okay, so far in 4 states. But out of 4 states, what happened? Only in case of Maharashtra, that too in Pune, what happened? 2 centers are already completed. Next, rest 5 are not in the completion stage, but still it is going to be completed. Beside this 7, what is there? You see, 3 private CoEs are also there. So how many are there? Total 10 are there. 7 Indo-Dutch plus your 3 is private. Okay, out of 7 again, what happened? You see, 2 are completed and 5 are under development stage. Okay, operational in the states of Maharashtra, Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, Kerala, Karnataka. These are not important, only remember these numbers. Okay, to focus on the horticulture crop, fruit, vegetable, potatoes and flowers. Okay, so this is all about today's update. So you can see our Dr. Abhilaksh Likhi, he has visited the CoE, that is Center of Excellence for what? Vegetable, in the Pune district, Baramati area in Maharashtra. Okay, total 10 are there, 7 are Indo-Dutch government one and 3 are private one. Out of 7, 2 are completed in Maharashtra, other 5 are under development, 3 are there in the private sector. Yes or no? That much is important. All are not at all important. Oh, so I hope you understood the video. If any doubt is there, you can ask in the comment box. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.